When somebody from India wants to get like a scholarship in your college,
Okay.
so what exactly you are looking at?
What do we want to find?
Want to find?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So if I'm coming,
Yeah.
I really want to pursue my studies.
Yeah,
but
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
also looking forward for like a scholarship.
Okay.
So what kind of things I should be presenting?
Okay. Well, the first thing that anyone wants to find out is about the individual, and it's about ideas, and I think it's about how you look at the world and how you reference your ideas, how connected you are with culture, how connected you are with music or theatre, because if all you have in your portfolio are tear sheets from magazines, to be honest with you, not interested. You know, a 4-year-old child can do that. It's about some kind of intellectual questioning, or even it's about the personality. You know, someone who isn't happy with how things are, or someone who loves a particular thing and wants to do something. There's a passion there in what they want to do.
So usually they come up with a portfolio.
Yeah.
And then you do interviews with them.
Yep. You would send in, if it was a digital portfolio, you select, you know, some of your examples of your work. You email it over, and then you can have an interview by Skype or whatever. It's fairly straightforward.